Good morning, everybody. I am live on TikTok and YouTube. I wouldn't be surprised if, good morning, okay. I'm not even going to be able to respond to everyone individually, but hello, everyone. Today is a happy day. Exciting times, yes, sir. Good morning. Hashtag and monster, good morning from Africa, okay. How am I feeling about Shido? I have not. I guess I went to the wrong website for Shido. Just not looking at it right now. Cello's pumping. Okay. I mean, I'm not surprised. All right, $1.43. Good to see. Good morning, everyone from Korea. Okay. You're welcome for Pry. Yeah, Produce AI. Very bullish on Produce AI. Belgium. 1K views selling. Yeah, you know what? I mean, we reached 1K views last week, so now, when we reached 1K views in November of 2021, that was not euphoria. Psychologically, that was not euphoria. So I do think we're going to go higher than 1,000 people in this live stream when I'm only doing the live stream on TikTok. Guys, again, on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin, head over there. I am able to, for now, able to respond to every question, but I can already see it's getting really hot. So head on over there. I do price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Can you talk about DGI, please? I have not. This weekend was super dramatic. I've made 2 videos on DGI game on my TikTok channel. I'm probably going to revisit it at some point because I am bullish on it. Our $52 million market cap, so it might be down a little bit. DGI is just fine. It's ramping up for another big move up. So I've not done Moonbeam and Moon River, sorry. Do you think AOs will dip to 40-ish cents? AOs, good morning, Lucian. 40 cents for AOs. It's at 7. No. AOS is at 78 cents right now. It's not going down to 40. Man, AOS is just ripped. This thing is irrelevant right now. I'm just going to delete it. So next LCX pump. LCX seems to be gearing up for another move up. So 28 cents right now. Thank you for GPU Node AI. Yeah, I know that's been doing well too. Yeah, Gala. I saw Gala did amazing yesterday. What are your cryptos for this week? Mazzy, I don't know. I had a busy weekend, so I am ramping up right now to be thinking about cryptos. But I will say, Gala, I identified this level right here for those of you watching on my YouTube channel as a great entry. What is that? 72.86. We might have already passed that. Yeah, I mean, we did wick down below that, so maybe we missed out on that, but Gala looks good for an entry right now. Coke Inu's doing very well. I see that. So Rain, don't know anything about Rain. Are you not talking about Rainmaker Games? I'm assuming. Good morning. Hey, you pissed me off. I was going to buy Pry at 3 cents, but not with $200 in gas fees. Kind of hurt. Yeah, you got to put larger entries into this stuff, unfortunately. I've been asking for thought on Scale and what? And storage. I like Scale. I haven't looked into storage enough. Guys, Syncus. All right, I know a lot of you want me to talk about Syncus, and here's what I'll tell you. I did a 5-minute voice chat on my Telegram, and I talked about Syncus. I know I'm going to get asked over and over about Syncus during this live stream. I don't want to have to repeat myself over and over again. Go join my Telegram group. WW Bitcoins calls, and then listen to my thoughts on Syncus. I will say up front, I do believe that Syncus is going to continue climbing, and what they did last weekend was so short-sighted. It was ridiculous. So yeah, Bitcoin hit 72K. Yep. I did not see that Syncus spike to 85 cents on Bitmart. Nope. Hello to Ritmo, Ajax. You know, again, I think the play for these AI cryptocurrencies is ride them until the day before or the day of the Nvidia conference coming up next week. So, yeah, Syncus, ouch. I mean, Syncus is up It's doubled in the last week. So, I mean, yeah, it got up to 80 something and then went down pretty hard. Anything on Brett? I did make a video on how and why to buy Brett right now. And I believe, all right, Brett's at a $400 million market cap. You're not getting a 100x from this. I believe it's going to over $1 billion easy. So, all right. Hello, Betsy. 60x out of AOs. That's awesome. Anything on SMF? I don't know anything about SMF. No. Can you talk more about the Nvidia thing you said? It's a buy the rumor, sell the event kind of thing. So that's happening. It starts on the 18th. And AI cryptos are moving aggressively with it. So Serge, SMF, don't know anything about it. I'm not going to take too much time to like answer every question on cryptos that I don't know. And same thing with Blender. What was that about AOs? Somebody asked if it was going, no, AOs. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Somebody asked if it was going to 40 cents, and I said no. So are you still DCAing in considerate positions or looking for new opportunities? DCA is not in my radar right now. I'm just looking for new cryptos to enter. So smaller cryptos that'll do well. Produce AI, please stop spamming. I made a video on it. Nothing's changed. You can watch that on TikTok here. Why wasn't the Nvidia earnings report a sell the news event? Because they blew it out of the water. That's why. So yeah, into older positions. All right, good morning. Bitcoin going to 120K. Blue chip cryptos going to go up still in your opinion? Yes. And so, all right, yeah, you're with me on YouTube here. Let me go to the daily chart. We are, as long as Bitcoin is in this ascending channel right here, and we don't deviate from it, my mindset is we are going to between $106,000 and $118,000 by May 23rd. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. For those on YouTube, we have started member-only live streams. And we have our next member-only live stream on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 20 UTC. And it's going to be awesome. So join the channel as a member, and you will get access to that. I respond to every question that you have if you missed the live stream in my next member-only live stream. So the next one is a little bit more than 24 hours from now, excuse me. So thanks for the sync info on Telegram. Yeah, sure. All right. Have you looked into Cryptex at all? If not, can you please? No, I'm not going to look into it. Sorry. I got a little turned off by the person on TikTok spamming, the Cryptex account spamming, hey, follow Cryptex or whatever. So Floki, super bullish on Floki. I'm gonna make a video on Floki and on Bonk. So I'm expanding my horizons a little bit. Floki and Bonk. You'll be seeing videos on that on my TikTok. So Syncus, in or out? I'm still in. What's the Flux price target? I might not have put that on the spreadsheet. Shoot. No, shoot. It's in the video. It's in the YouTube video that I made. I don't remember. I'll update the spreadsheet as soon as possible. We love Brett and Bretta. Okay. Are you bullish on ATOR? Doesn't seem to have tokenomics issues in a relatively small market cap. I am bullish on ATOR. I looked into it a little bit. Thank you, Kent Home. Sorry, when I get sick, I get like 10% sick, but not all the way, so I still feel like I can do things. So I've made double on Serge, okay. Why do you think AI cryptos will pull back after the Nvidia conference? That's a textbook buy the rumor, sell the event kind of thing. Now, there's always, with AI is the narrative. AI is the narrative. And so if we're looking for narratives, there's always something. It's the opposite of death by 1,000 cuts. And so if you don't sell the event, you're probably going to be all right. So bullish on Shiba, yes, absolutely. 2 days, something's in 2 days. Oh, made double in 2 days. That's awesome, Serge. Have you looked at Hemule? I have not. Sorry. Brett is on Bitmart. I saw that. I got a notification. Yeah. Last 3 digits of the contract. I can't help you with that, Luke. Maybe during the subscriber only part of this live stream. I'm not going to look it up, but in my YouTube video, I did show you instructions as to how to get the right contract. My YouTube video on Brett. Or what chance do you think Base does an airdrop after their statements? I did not see their statements. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Loop ring finally breaking out. Good. Yeah, loop ring. That's one that I would not have a problem getting into right now. Again, for those on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button, and join the chat. How high can Near go in the bull run? I think my worst case scenario for Near is $28. Best case would be $46. So do you think AXGT will pull back also during the conference? AXGT is too small of a market cap to really give any thoughts as to whether it would pull back or not. So thoughts on gaming in general? I think gaming's a very good narrative, potential narrative. So what do you think Bonk can do from here? Maybe a 15x. I don't know where Bonk's market cap is at the moment, but let's see. Would you sell FET and rotate into consolidating coins like Injective or LCX? That's tough, man. You got to ride the winners. And you know, there's been lots of times that it was good to take profits. I could see Bonk doing a 15x. So I have had a bit of a change of mindset with these AI coins of just like, let's keep riding them. Now you want to take some out. It's always good to take healthy profits for sure. But, you know, they're going to keep going up much higher. So SMS is Simpson Family is the number one newest on CMC a few days ago, bought from official website on CMC. So yeah, why would I have ever heard of that, Serge? You know, it was brand new a couple of days ago, but I see your strategy. I've tried that strategy before. It hasn't worked out all that great. Good evening from Thailand. Hello. Again, for those of you asking about Sync, I'm going to have to repeat this. I did a 5-minute voice chat on my Telegram group. I'm not going to repeat those same things aside from saying I do believe that Syncus is going higher despite their stupidity this past weekend. So, is your price prediction still the same for ICP? Yes. Milady, I'm hearing lots of people ask about Milady, so sure, it can go higher. Another meme coin. Yeah, Alex, I hope I already answered your question about the Nvidia conference. Do you think the 50% tax on Syncus is a rug? I think it's a temporary measure. And again, check out my Telegram. You can see the link to my Telegram in the description of my non-live stream YouTube videos. My price prediction for ICP was $223.40. Do you think Quant will randomly pump like Quant does what Quant does? Yes. Yes. Do you think SHIB and Bonk are done? Absolutely not. No. My price target for SHIB is 0.00022192. It's going much higher in my opinion. Same for Bonk. I'm thinking Bitcoin could have a pullback. According to your chart, we could go around the orange MA, or I'm thinking 57 to 60K. Man, it's always possible. I don't think so. I don't think we're going. Once Bitcoin crosses its all-time high and holds it, it tends to, in a bull run, not go back down significantly below its previous all-time high. So, all right. When do you think AOs will hit your price target? In the next few months, in my opinion. Let's see. Thoughts on Cyber Arena Cat? Don't know anything about it. Moki price prediction. I don't have anything for you on Moki. All right, Super Chat. Can you take a look at Shapeshift Fox? Shapeshift Fox. Again, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I can. I think I've already looked at this. So let me answer another question here on YouTube. Let's see. When do you think? Let's see. Thoughts on cyber? Oh, yeah, don't know anything about that. Sorry, made a double on Brett in 2 days. Once the live is over, I'm watching your Brett video. Okay, cool, Serge. Shapeshift Fox all-time chart. All right, so yeah, I remember this. That's just so weird. What is that about? I wouldn't be surprised if it was just very low market cap back then. Okay, that would explain it. All right, so now it's an all-time high in market cap. No, it's not. $40 million, $47 million. What is Shapeshift Fox? A borderless, self-sovereign, cross-chain crypto trading platform and portfolio manager. 10,000 assets. Okay. So this seems to be a multi-chain snap to add support. It seems interesting. I'm just going to say that. I'll look into it later. But I'm going to move on real quick. Where are we? Again, for those on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I cannot answer anywhere near all the questions on TikTok. I'm struggling on YouTube as it is right now, but I'm trying. So by the way, the U.S. stock market opens in 3 minutes. 3. So we're going to see. I think I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin got on, ripped even higher. At what time are your members only on YouTube? It is 4 p.m. Eastern time, United States. 4 p.m. New York time, if you want to call it that. Thank you, Waku. And that's every Tuesday and Thursday. And when I'm live on YouTube and the chat gets too hot, I prioritize the members only, the members in the chat. So let's see. Check out image generation eventually, maybe. How do you feel about Pendle? I load up on the dip. Pendle is my highest conviction cryptocurrency. Although maybe it should be an AI cryptocurrency or a meme coin right now. So yeah, Moki, don't know anything about it. Thoughts on Ocean? I'm not super excited about Ocean because of their tokenomics. Now, Ocean is an AI crypto, so sure, it's going to go higher. It's gone higher. I, in general, think it's going to lag behind the other AI cryptos. So highest conviction under 50 million. If Clore.ai is under 50 million, that would be the highest conviction. How high do you think Render can get to? I mean, my price target's $35. It seems like the AI cryptos are going to go higher than all of my price targets, every single one of them. So what day did you say Bitcoin hit 100K? Around May 23rd, if we're in this upward channel, if we're still in it. Good morning. Thoughts on ETH upgrades and what it might do for these insane gas fees and the price of ETH. There's always news of upgrades that's going to do things for that's supposedly going to do things for the gas fees. I'll believe it when I see it. It's one of those things. It's like, are they really in a rush to reduce the gas fees? They're making millions they're making money hand over fist right now, So price of ETH's going up. Bitcoin hit an all-time high. It's time for ETH to hit an all-time high. So let's see. Bitcoin 72.2. Miro thoughts. I know it's meme coins. We are going to have, in my opinion, another big meme coin run. So is there any good tracking app software to record transactions and profits, or is Excel still the best? I've set it up in Excel. There's ways to do it. So let me show you this. You can see on my price target spreadsheet here. I don't know if there's a way for me to make this bigger, but my live price, I have, import data, and then parentheses, HTTPS crypto prices CC / Bitcoin. So I put that in there, and then I put my entry price and then and I multiply, or my entry amount, and I multiply that by the price, and then you can see the gain and loss and all that. And so there's ways to do it in Excel. That's how I do it. So all right, good afternoon from your motherland, Cyprus. Oh man, Cyprus, that's awesome. Moki price prediction. Please stop asking about Moki. All right. Let's see. Sync is getting listed on LBank and Poloniex, however you spell it. Yeah, Pionex or something. I don't know. But yeah, it is getting listed on other places. So what did you say? Bitcoin hit 100K? Yeah, May 23rd, something like that. Lith, nothing on Lith. Will Brett hit $1? I don't know where Brett is price-wise. I know it's at a $400 million market cap. It's going over $1 billion easy, not financial advice. Lebanon, all right, I see you. Let's see. Most newest coin you're bullish on. Produce AI. How about that? Would it be a good time to get into near now with the profits from other small caps? Yes. Sure. Near's going higher. Ajax is a good buy right now. Anytime you see a cryptocurrency do what Ajax has done in the last week, all right, it's dipped. I'm going to say yes, because we do have the Nvidia conference coming up here. There's still a 15% tax on sync on the centralized exchanges. I don't know. I sold some sync on Bitmart, and I didn't see a 15% tax. So Have you looked into Ether in their node sale and launch? I follow them on X. I get notified whenever they tweet, but I haven't really looked into when they're doing it, and I haven't looked into their node sale at all. Probably not bad. Probably not a bad one to get into. What's your price prediction on DOT? I think it's $48.33, something like that. $48.28. There it is. So, hello, Matt. On Syncus, I wonder how many non-stakers they shook out, and now they will chase. Just a thought. I wouldn't be surprised if they shook out some stakers as well. There was a lot of fear this weekend. So, Theta Fuel, I got nothing on Theta Fuel. I'm bullish on Theta in general, but yeah. Can ICP MCD be lower than your predict due to AI plays like Render? It's possible. I mean, listen, my prediction, you don't sell at my price targets. You sell all along the way. We might not get to my price targets. We might go much higher than my price targets. So what's your Telegram group called? WW Bitcoins Calls. So I have not looked at self-key. So does Shiba hit a penny? No. DGI game price prediction, I don't have one. It's going over $100 million, maybe to $1 billion, something like that. Are you sell AI next week or hold? I might sell some, just take some off the table. So what's your ETH new all-time high? My ETH price target's $11,689. All right, so Bitcoin hasn't done much. It's been the stock market's been open for 3 minutes. We didn't see any kind of explosive moves, but we'll see. You know, it's volatile. So Fox is Eric Voorhees. Do not fade. Okay. Oh man. Do you think XRP is going to do anything this run? My price target's $3.02. I'm sticking with that. Will ETH correct or DCA now? I mean, DCA with Bitcoin past its all-time high, DCA should not be in your vocabulary. We are not dollar cost averaging. That is how we lose, because this could end at any point. And again, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I'm going through the comments there. There's no way I can keep up with all the comments on TikTok. So let's see. Pendle price prediction still the same. Yes. Imogen AI, nothing. Fox will perform good. Okay. Do you think API 3 will move? Yes. All right. Any cryptocurrency that pumped aggressively and chopped for a bit, you just got to be patient. API 3 has been on a tear. It's going much higher in my opinion. What's my API 3 price target? World War Bitcoin. I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. $31.82 is my price target on API 3. So let's see. Can you share your thoughts on Render? I love Render. I'm crazy about it. My price target's probably too conservative. Cody, no, that's coming soon. Diamond. My price target of $35 on Render is probably too conservative given how much AIs have just been killing it lately. So, have you heard of Baby Solana? They're claiming to be the first beverage-based Solana token. I have not. Sounds fine. All right, Cypress, can you answer OPSEC? I bought some OPSEC. I bought the FUD last week. You know, there was so much fear with OPSEC last week. I bought it. Please sell your OPSEC. I said the same thing with Fetch, you know? I said the same thing with Fetch that 1 week that there was all that FUD. Oh no, Fetch is going bankrupt, and I begged you all to sell your Fetch so I could buy it at a lower price. And thank you for your contribution. Thank you so much. I'll do the same thing with OPSEC. So let's see. Ubix Network, UBX, I haven't looked into it enough. When will Shiba hit your prediction? Maybe never. Maybe in 2 months, 3 months. You never know. Cello going crazy. Cello's on the move. Yes, I see it. Is it the right time to buy some IMX and SUI? IMX, my price target for IMX is $12.89. I'm sticking with that. IMX's tokenomics are not fantastic. SUI should be fine still. This summer there's some unlocks that's coming with SUI that has me concerned. So, not checking Moki. Dot and vet predictions. You can see it in the spreadsheet here. Let me copy that. So, all right, I pasted the link to my spreadsheet. Again, TikTok. I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I'm answering a large majority of questions on YouTube. Although I'm struggling as it is right now. Let's see. CMC keeps great records. Accountants love this. Yeah. Yeah. No DGI prediction. Can we see down the list of price targets, please? You can. I just posted the link so you can see that. Obviously, I missed your sync talk. Yeah. Check it out in my Telegram group. Check out what I said about Syncus. So XRP, $3.02. Where's best to store profits, in stablecoin or fiat or Bitcoin? I think all three of those. You know, stablecoins give you benefits of generating yield. Fiat, you're safe from the stablecoins potentially collapsing, like what we saw with UST. Bitcoin, you never know when Bitcoin's day of reckoning is going to come. So, what do you think of Peng? Somebody just messaged me about that. I hadn't heard about that until this weekend for the first time, so I'll look into that. Good day, Damas. Brett on Solana's doing decent. Do you think it would do good? Yes, even more so. Pry had a massive buy opportunity this weekend, had doubled down. Okay. Yeah, Pry has already made a 10x. It's still under $20 million in market cap, I think. So, all right, let's see. Syncus pullback was bad. It was. Yeah, they did something incredibly short-sighted. I talked about that in my Telegram, the voice chat. All right, here we go. What else? What price do you think FET will be at right before the Nvidia conference? I got nothing for you, man. That's too difficult to tell. How about 20% higher? I don't know. Please share some pre-sale tokens you have invested in. I have invested into many. Ape Terminal reached out to me, wanted me to partner with them, which is going to be very much to your benefit if I do that, because I will share with you opportunities. So I'm going to message them today. That we haven't. It's been the chat's been silent for a few days. So, would you sell AI before the Nvidia conference? I'd sell a little bit. No, not to sell to get back into the dip. That's too dangerous. I would just sell a little bit, and then if it does dip, then sure, re-enter. Yeah. So, is it a good idea to use a trailing stop for spot trading? No, not for crypto, because 20% dips, you know, that's what we call Tuesday. VeChain price prediction, 33 cents. NKN chart. I can't do that right now, Cameron. All right. I'm going to focus on the subscribers or on the members on YouTube. So, all right. Thanks for all you do. Just sold a small portion of Bitcoin, following to learn where to reinvest in the short term. Okay. You know, I don't know what the rest of your portfolio is, Maharoni, but all right. So you sold some Bitcoin. What's going to happen next? So I think Bitcoin's going to go much higher, but I think you know, eventually Bitcoin's dominance is going to plummet. So I'd be, you know, if you don't own any AI coins, you've got to get some exposure to that. AI, and honestly, for me, it's AI and meme coins right now. AI and meme coins. We are going to have another huge meme coin run. So let's see. All right. Oh, shoot. Good morning. I missed your Timo. I missed your super chat. Sorry about that. Would you check out Palai, please? Pal AI. I think that's what you're asking about. Pal AI. Again, TikTok. I am live on YouTube. I saw that Grok's on the move. I'm really excited about that. I own some. I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. So I'm not worried about this fib chart. That was just swing low to swing high. I mean, PAL has been one of my biggest winners. I own some PAL. I'm really happy about it. My big thing is don't chase green candles, but it seems like AI is the narrative, you know? So what are you going to do? I would say at some point you see any kind of dips are going to be minimal. On the 4-hour chart, got to pay attention to the 4-hour chart on PAL. I mean, it looks like the best opportunity is to get into 50-period EMA on the 4-hour chart. That's what I would do. So just sold all my Grok after 6 months left. Yeah, lesson learned for sure. Hey, we all do it. I sold my Cello before Cello pumped. We all do it. So, all right, Bitcoin's taking a bit of a dip right now. I mean, 71.8. That's nothing to cry about. But I wouldn't be surprised if Grayscale was again selling more of their Bitcoin. But eventually they're gonna run out. So let's see. Oh my goodness, Dinas, this is not how you chat on my channel. I don't have a price prediction for anything small cap like Produce AI. I am bullish on Produce AI. Wow, made 379K on MicroStrategy. That's crazy. What was their AO's price prediction? $3.40, and it was too small, too low. How do you feel about the Thor run? I'm not surprised at all. Very bullish on Thor. So, yeah, I made a video on it. Thor became a very high conviction cryptocurrency. Cello is going straight up. Okay. Casper, I'm out on Casper. You know, bless them, keep them, bless their hearts. I have given up on Casper, and I know Casper. And hey, you know what? I gave up on Cello. So hey, Casper's on the move. Maybe we're gonna go much higher on Casper now. So Mint Layer is slow. Yeah, Mint Layer is slow. Mint Layer. Here's the thing with Mint Layer. It did an aggressive move up, and it's been chopping. And so will it have another aggressive move up? Most likely, yes. But yeah, Cello's going straight up. Pepe, Bonk, or Shib to buy now for best returns. You know, I would say Bonk will probably give you the best returns, but Pepe and Shib I think are higher conviction. So I see Mint Layer. Mint Layer's been slow, but I mean it did what? It did a 20x in just a couple weeks here. That's why. Please don't spam. Yeah, still holding stick. I did not unstake any of my sync. I have, I think, 1 million sync right now. I actually have more than that because I have some unstaked in my wallet that I did a test unstake this weekend when somebody first mentioned to me about the 50% staking fee or unstaking fee. Ridiculous. That was so short-sighted. I know why they did that. It was ridiculous. All right. Paladina. And thanks again, Timo. Again, for those on, Paladin AI. Paladin AI. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Bought more Syncus at 2 cents. I mean, you're up, right? So I'd say it's a good move. It's just, hey, you know, we've got to be more careful with Syncus. I think it's going over $1 billion. It could still go to multiple $1 billion. But what they did this past weekend is something that some people will never come back. They will never come back. And so that's unfortunate. What they did was so short-sighted. All right, so Paladin AI, $12.3 million market cap, volume $686,000. That's a bit of a concern for me. The chart just looks really wonky. I just honestly, this communicates to me that this cryptocurrency just has very low liquidity. So let me look up Dex Tools. It might be on Dex Tools. Let me see here. Green Satoshi token. I got nothing with Green Satoshi. Gigantics wallet. What did Sync do? They did a temporary, and it might still be in place here. They did a 50% unstaking fee. 50% unstaking. And they announced that it was temporary because they were trying to introduce some new things. I don't remember exactly what it was, but they were trying to introduce some new things, and they needed to not have too much downside volatility. That was their explanation, at least. So yeah, I mean, liquidity. All right, $794,000 in liquidity. I have seen worse. I've seen worse. I'm not too excited about it. Yeah, listen, 50% unstaking. It was temporary. At least that's what they're communicating. It was they were it was very short-sighted. It's not going to be permanent. What they needed to do was to not have too much sell pressure as it was going up so that they could implement some new features or something like that. It was so dumb. Pissed me off. Ords and ZKID. OrdiSwap, I own some OrdiSwap, very bullish on it. ZKID, I don't know anything about it. And again, for those of you on YouTube, we have a new membership available on YouTube, and there are perks to that. We're going to have a member-only live stream tomorrow, every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're looking at trade setups. We're switching. We're doing a little bit of a mentality. We're teaching some trading. We're learning some trading, different trading skills. So lots of opportunities. And I'm able to spend a lot more time during the member-only portion of the live stream. So go to my YouTube channel, click the join button on my YouTube channel. For those on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I'm sharing my screen. So head over to YouTube, hit the subscribe button, and I am more likely to be able to answer your question on YouTube than I am on TikTok. So ZKID, very small market cap. Launched in 2023. Chart looks, it's on the way up at least. So ZK Sync, ZK Sync. Is that the same thing as all right, ZK Sync ID? Create a digital identity access system that leverages the advantages of ZK rollup technology. Thank you, Jamaica, for joining the channel. If this is the same thing, this is very bullish. So I do not have a price prediction for ladies. Oh, man. Thoughts on Nosana? Nosana. Can we talk about ICP? It's been my worst performer. There will come a time soon when Bitcoin's dominance is going to plummet and a lot of cryptocurrencies are going to absolutely rip, and ICP will be one of those cryptocurrencies. You've got to be patient. So yeah, Martin, unfortunately, it does not include TikTok. I mean, all right, you know what, Martin? Here's what I'll do. Actually, but here's the problem. I will go subscriber only on TikTok during the member only live stream. But the thing is, I'm sharing my screen. And so maybe I'll reverse the, I'll show you my screen on my phone, but it's much different on YouTube. So Angus AI, I can't right now. Nosana, 584 million in market cap. Wow, that's quite a wild chart. If this is not an AI cryptocurrency, I would not be touching this right now. So what is Nosana? All right, it is an AI cryptocurrency. GPU cloud computing. It's probably moving just like everything else. 84.37% in circulation. That's a good sign. So people are probably going to compare this to Render. This is probably going much higher. All right, what else? Produce AI. I made a video on my TikTok about Produce AI. I've been in this from very early on. It's going much higher. I know, all right, it's down a little bit now. People have taken profits. It's going to go higher. So let's see. Thoughts on ICP? Let me look at the ICP chart. First, let me just double check where Bitcoin is. 71.6. All right, ICP. It's right at the level that I'd want to be buying it right now. 1432. You got to be patient. We have broken through to the top of this, on the top of this range. This range was resistance. Now it's support. It's a lot easier to see on the daily, somewhat easier. This is support. So I think it's going to move higher. When euphoria comes, do you think it's better to sell all my alt holdings all at once or wait for others to go a bit higher? I would not sell all at once. I would just be exiting aggressively. I got ICP at 3. I'm up already. Yeah, you know, I mean, people who bought in during the extreme monotony of the bear market are not complaining about ICP right now. VXV buy now? Is VXV vaporware? That's what I would want to know. VXV, $1.90, $1.92. So hey, you know what? It's done well. All right, it's moving with the rest of the AI cryptos. VXV, I would say buy now. Yes. I can't hear you on YouTube, only on TikTok. Apostolos, I think that's only you. No one else has mentioned that on my YouTube channel here. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I make price target videos every day on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button, watch my price target videos. You can see a link to my price target spreadsheet on my YouTube channel. Hassan, that's a baller move right there. I could absolutely see Fetch go to $10. $10 is 9 cents is my price target for Fetch, and I can see it going much higher than that. So, yeah, people saying they can hear me fine. Recommend any mid to low cap AI coins with high potential. Yeah, I mean, Jamaica, I've been talking about Clore. I've been talking about it for so long. Super bullish on Clore still. You know, I started talking about this when it was at 12 cents. And it's gone so much higher, and it's going to go higher still. So, all right, Rob can hear me fine. Thoughts on Engine? I did make an Engine video on my YouTube channel. Metaverse, I think, is a really good play right now because I've been waiting for Bitcoin to cross its previous all-time high, and it's done it. Now, will it hold it today? I do believe it will now hold it, and that we will enter into price discovery. So Engine, Metaverse is a euphoria play. As we enter into euphoria, Metaverse is the play. So not the play, but it's a fantastic play. You know, let people start dreaming about Ready Player One again. So have you looked into Bretta? I'm open to it. Bretta. I'm just going to Google it. So Brett's wife. Yeah, very much getting on a Bretta crypto. Bretta, I'm assuming it's a base crypto. I'm very interested in base meme coins right now. There's a lot of room to go higher. So Gecko Terminal, let's see if it'll show us anything. Oh, it's on Solana. Is it on Solana or is it on base? Oh, not sure if it's legit. I mean, the fact that it's on Solana makes me a little bit nervous that it might not be legit. So OPSEC or Clore AI, I don't mind either of them. But I guess between the two, I'd say Clore, but OPSEC is a narrative grabber. So 290K market cap, whatever this one is, maybe not. I mean, chart doesn't look terrible. That's a 15-minute chart. Let me see the hour chart. Yeah, you know, it had its big pump, and then who knows, maybe it's going to recover. Bretta went crazy yesterday. That's good. Good morning, Huggy. I talked about during my subscriber only live stream wanting to resurrect a meme coin, and I decided not to do that because I talked with a friend of mine. His name is Shmoo, and I do want to pull up the meme coin on my YouTube channel here because I do think that it's going to do very well. But what my friend convinced me of is like that I would need to buy a large chunk of the supply if I really wanted to resurrect it and do what I wanted to do with it, which was turn it into, you know, an 8-figure market cap crypto or a 9-figure market cap crypto. And he made another suggestion for me. Yeah, Shmoo, he everything he touches turns to gold. You guys should be joining his Telegram. But he talked about we should partner up and create our own cryptocurrency, which might not sound amazing to you, but listen to me. All right. He knows how Brett did what they did. He knows the reason why Brett got up to $200 million and $400 million, and he wants to employ that exact strategy. Okay, so if we do that, we could launch a cryptocurrency that goes 9 figures. We absolutely could. So what do you think about Coke Inu? I made a video on my TikTok where there were four cryptocurrencies that that went crazy. The 4 cryptocurrencies after Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and all that pumped, and Coke Inu was one of those 4 that I wanted to buy. The other ones that I mentioned were Brett and Sora. Sora hasn't done anything yet, but then Grok's back on the move. In a previous video, you mentioned ABT and like it. Can you please look at it now and give your opinion? Thank you, Finster, for that super chat there. So very bullish on Coke Inu, and I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I don't want to get banned or anything like that. You know, just being careful. Yeah, Arc Block. Oh, Arc Block. All right. I think Arc Block still has much higher to go, FYI. Do a meme with Shmoo on Solana and let people get in early. It's either going to be on Solana. I don't know where it is, but yeah. So the plan is to, well, all right, here's what we're going to do. I am, in my mind, I don't know, we just talked about this last night. My mindset is I'm letting my members on YouTube know first and my subscribers on TikTok know first. And then a couple hours later, I will inform my Telegram group. And then I'm going to make a video on TikTok talking about this cryptocurrency. If this is what happens, this is very early stages. But Shmoo has a lot of connections. There's people that I can connect to. So down, Matthew, what's down? Arc Block is going to go much higher. Not financial advice. So last week it hasn't done great, but I'm not worried about that. Oh, all right, Matthew, I understand what you're saying now. You are so down. Yeah. So you've got to either, if you want the absolute earliest on this, you got to be a member of my YouTube channel or a subscriber on my TikTok. So how do I join the subscription you are offering? You can click the join button on my YouTube channel, or you can join on TikTok, click on the subscription part of it. So Boj on base. I still haven't looked into Boj, Dana. Another base cryptocurrency. Thank you, Stuart. A base crypto reached out to me, and the name of that base project is Bepe. Base Pepe, and it's at $1 million something market cap, and they want me to make a video. I'm a little hesitant because I'm trying to look into, like, I know how to find information on a Solana meme coin, whether that is how ruggable it is. I don't have that same information. I don't know how to find that same information with base meme coins. And so I don't want to make a video. The most terrifying thing in the world for me would be to make a video on a cryptocurrency and then that cryptocurrency get rugged, because I will never hear the end of that, literally. There are cryptocurrencies that I talked about that I was excited about that I didn't do a promotion on in 2021 that didn't rug. It just went straight down, and I still get grief about that from people. So Timo, I want in on that. Yeah. How do we follow Shmoo? It's SHMOO. SHMOO. So find him on TikTok, but you got to join his Telegram group. So if any of you know anything about Bepe, you've heard good things about it, let me know. Because if so, then I'm down. Maybe it's the next Brett. ABT price guesstimate, $10. It still has multiple X's in it, and that's just a guesstimate. Yeah. What platform will we need to buy this new coin you are making? Listen, there's no promises that this is even going to happen. This is like 12 hours old. Okay, this thought. So I've not looked at Self Key. I'm not looking into anything I don't know about yet. So SNS don't know anything about it. So anything on Bepe, bald on base. Boj is the Doge on base. There we go. Let's see. Wait a second. Here we go. Boj is better than Bepepe. Okay. All right, live on YouTube. I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Live on YouTube. I will buy if or when you guys release your new coin. All right. Bretta is not on Solana Dex Tools. Okay, I'm not looking into it. So, but oh yeah. So this is the one I was gonna resurrect. Keycat. So I think this is gonna go higher. Market cap's only $174,000. I'm going to paste the contract address on my YouTube channel here. Just, look into it. I looked up how ruggable they are. And they are very much not ruggable. This was launched in December and it went up and pumped and then went down to $15,000. Just like every other meme coin that was launched on December. And now it's making a move back up. So Pepe is going to 100 million. Oh, Peng is going to 100 million. Okay, whatever. So, Trax, haven't looked into it. Bretta seemed a bit fishy. I'm avoiding two. Just want to know your thoughts. Thanks. Yeah, sure thing, Rob. Been 5 of your lives and you never answer me once about sushi. Do you see how many people are in here, Luke? And well, here we are. I am answering your question about sushi. I believe sushi is going much higher. I believe they're going to do something very similar to what Uniswap did. Uniswap instituted a rev share. And sushi, looking at the chart, seems to be just fine. It is moving. And I think sushi is going to go on a tear. So I'm live on YouTube, by the way. World War Bitcoin. Your chances of getting your question answered are more likely on YouTube. Head over there, hit the subscribe button. I make price target videos every day on my YouTube channel at 6 a.m. Eastern time. So Brett Baggs doing great. I've not looked at Self-Key. No. Today was launched OrdiBank, promising Bitcoin Layer 1 project. Yeah, I looked into it a little bit. It does look promising. I'm a new subscriber. Your thoughts on WorldCoin, please. WLD. We are going to have, Nicole, by the way, we're going to have a subscriber only live stream. I am going to switch to subscriber only on TikTok, and I will stay live on YouTube. Bear with me on that. It's coming. So WorldCoin, I wouldn't be surprised if WorldCoin was doing very well, was pumping. I still haven't looked into their tokenomics because the big thing that people object to is their circulating supply is 1.49% in circulation. So when does that change, So all-time chart, I mean, it looks good. It's moving higher. It's got the AI components to it, so it's going to go higher. It will go higher. It is the second largest AI cryptocurrency by market cap. So it is what it is. Top 2 to 3 AI cryptos with momentum still left. There's every one of them. Any low cap coins below 10 million you would recommend? Listen, I try to do research, and as soon as I'm able to let you know, to recommend something, I will. And you know what? So my Produce AI video last week, here's another reason to subscribe. Here's another reason to subscribe to my TikTok, be a subscriber, or to be a member of my YouTube channel. Anytime I make an individual review moving forward, an individual review of a cryptocurrency like Produce AI that I made last week. I made that video last week. Produce AI was at a $2 million market cap. It jumped pretty quickly to $5 million. So I am going to alert my subscribers on TikTok, the members on my YouTube channel, moving forward, before I hit publish on my YouTube on my TikTok videos. So Delicium and Perp, haven't looked into either of those, Steve. I mean, I think I've looked at Delicium. A lot of people ask me about Perp. I'm pretty sure they sent me a message asking me to promote their crypto, but I just don't know. That might have been them. I don't know. I'm a new member, but how will you notify us? I'm a member, how will you notify? I made a member-only video this morning. I will make member-only videos. So how do we alert subscribers on TikTok? Yeah, member-only videos. So Delicium, thank you, Victor. I mean, man, it's on the move. What do you want to say? What was it about this one? I remember it. Or, I mean, I remember looking at it. All right, blockchain for AI, AI for humanity. So AI, that's all I'm going to say. All right, Rodney, you're getting the mute button. Again, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Thoughts on Dual, Demetheus? Dual is ready to move higher, finally. Yeah, I've been saying to wait on Dual. Dual's ready to move higher. So, Game GPT. Theta's going off. Thank you for subscribing. 17 or 1.7 cents. There are people saying it's going to $1. We'll see. Do I think another dip is coming soon? You're welcome, Steve. Do I think another dip is coming soon? It depends on the size of the dip. I mean, I think dips are just going to be minimal, you know? So Doge on base is available on Coinbase Wallet. Okay. Easy to buy Doge versus Doge. I might buy some. So I want to look it up, see where its market cap is. So if it's available on Coinbase Wallet, I'm probably going to get some. And especially now that it's down 35.9% today, that's exactly the kind of thing that I would want to buy. All right, 4.2 million fully diluted valuation. That's not bad. I mean, you know, maybe it's the next Brett, and it's on base, and that's the exciting thing is base meme coins right now. Thank you, Kent. I think of trading some of my Bitcoin for alts such as NEAR and ICP. Thoughts? No financial advice, obviously. If you only have Bitcoin, yeah, diversify into some alts. Not financial advice, obviously. So NEAR and ICP I think would be good ones. Finster, what do you think of XYO? Listen, I own XYO. I think XYO is at least going to its all-time high. Could it go much higher? It probably will. And it's at $185 million market cap right now. Circulating supply is pretty decently diluted, very diluted, excuse me. So Gala or Jasmy. Ooh. So Gala did very well yesterday. Right now, I would say Jasmy, short-term Jasmy. So, man, CoinMarketCap.com messes up on me a lot. It's only CoinMarketCap.com. I'm bullish on XYO. Please do TT video on Doge if you buy it. Thanks. Dana, I can't promise you that. Maybe I'll make a video where I say like, hey, here's the most recent meme coins that I bought. Maybe I'll do something like that. So can VRE go higher than 22 cents predicted? Anything's possible in this wonderful world of crypto. So 1.3 cents, you want it to go higher than 22 cents? Thank you, Bryce, for that super chat. Let's see if XYO loaded up here. So, I mean, all-time high. XYO is moving violently. We're ready. We're ready for this to go on a tear. I could very much see XYO going very quickly to a new all-time high. So Orn thoughts, please. Orn, that's not orange, is it? ORN. Orion. Okay. Don't know anything about it. But 81 million. Yeah, Pangolin. I'll look at Pangolin. I know that they had a big move a couple weeks ago. But Orion, you know what? I'm pretty sure Orion reached out to me wanting to make a video for them. And I liked it. I was like, I'm not going to make a video about it. Yeah, DeFi trading projects with instant access to aggregated, centralized, and decentralized exchange liquidity to provide users with real-time best asset prices and a seamless trading experience. I mean, fundamentally, what I did like Orion for everything that I just read in that description. This is very bullish right now. So, what meme coin were you just talking about purchasing on base? I'm pretty sure it was Boge, right? Where was that? Yeah, Boge. I'm probably going to buy some Boge right now. So, okay. PNG, Pangolin. And thank you, Kevin. I'll look at that as well. Thank you, Frank Sriracha. Boge not on base. What? It's not on base? Apostolos, thank you for subscribing here too. All right. Man, this is loading so slowly. What was it about Pangolin that really stuck out? Yes, Boge is on base. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my goodness. This is only coinmarketcap.com. Let me look at AIT. Let me do a Google for AIT. Thank you, I, for subscribing. Actually, yeah, I'll go to CoinGecko. All right, Pangolin. Chart is loading still. My goodness. Yeah. Yeah, so people got excited about this move over this last couple weeks here. And so now it's consolidating. It could chop for quite a while. Boge or Bogie. Boge. Yeah, B-O-G-E, not B-O-G-E-Y. So it's a DEX on the Avalanche network. So that's right. So think about if Avalanche becomes, we have Avalanche Gaming. Avalanche Gaming could be huge. There's going to probably be something that draws a lot of people to Avalanche, just like last time. And when that happens, Pangolin's gonna benefit big time. So, all right, AIT protocol. I'll go to their website. Mist on base. Boge has no hype. It's Brett. Fear and Greed at 90. Now what? I made a video last week. When Fear and Greed first hits 90, that's not your time to sell. In 2020, in November of 2020, Bitcoin hit 50. Sorry, Fear and Greed was, oh my goodness, never mind. Fear and Greed in November of 2020 hit 90 for the first time. And Bitcoin was at, what was it? Bitcoin was at, oh my goodness. Thank you, Shukri. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Bitcoin was at $15,000 the first time Fear and Greed hit 90. So, missed creating a launchpad. AME chain. I'm going to switch to subscriber only on TikTok here in a little bit. I'll get to you on that. So, AIT protocol, man, it's running. AIT, they reached out to me asking me to make a video. Web3 data infrastructure, placing a significant emphasis on the annotation of data and training of AI models. Blockchain technology, 68 million market cap, 59.3 million self-reported circulating supply. I mean, with AI, it's like just throw a dart at a dartboard and you'll find a winner. So, Thank you, Frank. All right, TikTok. I am transitioning to subscriber only. So you will have a 6-minute preview, but when I switch over to subscriber only, you will still have the option of watching this live stream, the full live stream, on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button there, and watch the live stream. I'm sharing my computer, my screen, so be mindful of that. And we will be transitioning now to subscriber only. All right, Bitcoin's back above 72. That's awesome. LCX is moving. It's ready to move. What's your thoughts on Yearn Finance? I've just never really been interested in Yearn. So ADA price prediction, it's $4.86. It is on the spreadsheet. So what's Yearn at right now? I mean, the supply is something like 37,000, and so it's the only cryptocurrency that's ever had a higher price than Bitcoin, the only one that I know of at least. So funding rates are crazy high, even for low-lev players. Yeah, we've got to pay attention to the funding, guys. So thank you, Pending. Is the token base protocol? Pending base protocol. I don't know what you're asking about. I was looking at AIT protocol. If you're asking like a base crypto base, that is a layer 1 launched by Coinbase. So you're welcome. All in on Bretta's ice. All right, dip in alts coming soon. Oh yeah. All right. So to answer your question, is a dip in alts coming soon? I am looking now. I'm opening the funding rate heat map. And right now, we're getting a little too hot with funding. So there will, right now, if you were a leverage trader, you should be cooling off. All right, not doing 100x, not even doing 20 or 10x. There's probably going to be a liquidation, a violent move down, and then a bounce back up to just reset the leverage. Thank you, Pending. At some point, I think we might have a few days or weeks still with the liquidations, but it is getting a little too hot. So can you add FTM to your price prediction sheet? What's your level of conviction that it'll break all-time high? I'm not sure. FTM might already be on here, but I will add it. All right, it's not. I'll add it. Thank you, Bilal. Too late for Brett. It's a little too late. You know, it's at a $400 million market cap, but I think it's going over $1 billion. So AO's price prediction through $3.40. AXGT, I don't have one for price. For market cap, I do believe that it's going to about $500 million, maybe $1 billion. I think that's more than a 10x still from where it is today. So let's see. Looking on base, how is Boge spelt? The way you spelt it, Kent. Yeah. When do you think the meme coins will go up again, or do you think they won't go up anymore? They're going to go up. I very much believe we're going to see another meme coin season. I made a video on my TikTok talking about we might be between, so remember Dogecoin? Dogecoin went up to 8 cents in early February of 2021, and then it went down to 5 cents, and then it just flatlined for 2 months. And we might be in a similar period with the larger meme coins where they're flatlining. But then after that, it just shot off like crazy. Went from 5 cents to 75 cents within a month. And I think that's what's in store next for meme coins. Maybe we're going to be flat for a little bit. So I have a script on TikTok. How do I get YouTube? A script, subscription. So on YouTube, you hit the join button. Click on, you're going to have to do this on your desktop, maybe. For some people on mobile, it's not available. But if you click the join button, or here's what else you can do. You can click the You can click in the description of any of my most recent videos, and you will find it there. You will find it. You will find the link to subscribe. So I have Bitcoin, ETH, and Link as my top 3 holdings. Would you sell some Link for smaller caps? Personally, I would. Yes. And maybe even some Bitcoin and Ethereum as well right now. Thank you, Amanda, for subscribing. So where can I find your spreadsheet? You can find it in the description of all of my YouTube videos. Not my live stream videos, but my other YouTube videos. Can you take a look at AME Chain? AME Chain. I can't take too long to look at it. These cryptos that I'm not familiar with, it just takes too much time. But let's see here. Is there an outage on Uphold Exchange? I can't look into that now. I'm sorry, man. I don't know. So AME Pay has rebranded to AME Chain, excuse me. What's your price? Yeah, I answered that. Please don't spam, guys. I'm just going through here. AME Chain. Coin market cap. The world's first quantum secured blockchain that is EVM compatible with high performance and scalability. AME Chain is an ambitious product dedicated to the establishment of an unconditionally secure blockchain. I mean, this all sounds fine. I'm sorry. Right now, I can't give it any more time than that. So what to buy if you missed Brett? I'm looking into that. You know, maybe Boge. Maybe Boge. Price prediction on PRAI. I don't have one. It's too small of a market cap. You know, higher. My answer is higher. So Boge on Coinbase Wallet only. Is it? I don't know. I'm going to, after this live stream, I'm going to look into Boge. I'm probably going to buy some. So just saw you were live, but I had some questions about the Nvidia conference, and I did comment those under the last member only live. Did you get a chance to look at that? Yeah, Roy, I had an insanely busy weekend. I will answer that question in the next live stream. That I do believe the next member only live stream on YouTube, I do believe that that's going to be a sell the event kind of thing, and we'll see a bit of a correction. Not a huge one, but a bit of one. Grayscale just transferred $360 million worth of Bitcoin to Coinbase. Zero surprise. Grayscale selling off. That's how I bought Boge directly on Base through the Coinbase wallet. Okay. So you think XYO is going to do well? I've been thinking that, at least back to its all-time high. You're welcome, Roy. Are you bullish on Pry? Absolutely. I made a video on it last week. Did you say we should take profits now? You should always take profits. But did I say we should take profits now? I did not say anything specifically about taking profits now. So Crow price prediction, $1.80. That's on my price target spreadsheet. Made a video about that on my YouTube channel. So thoughts on EGLD. I'm not too excited about those mid-range layer ones. I think they're going to just get lost in the shuffle. I think there's more room to the upside for the smaller ones, and I think the larger ones have a lot of potential. Thank you, Omar. That have a lot of potential to become cryptocurrencies. Access cryptocurrencies is what I call it. Cryptocurrencies that you buy, and you don't care about the price because you buy it to gain access to their ecosystem. Buy Bretta. I'm not going to probably. Can you look into Lith? All right. Been asking about it forever. It did a 400% overnight. There's a reason to not buy it. It did a 400% overnight. How do you spell Boge on Base? B-O-G-E, the Doge of Base. All right. Lithium Finance. Wow, that all-time chart looks ugly, but let's narrow this down. 3 months. 3 months looks good. I mean, yeah, it pumped like crazy. What's up with lithium here? Any descriptions on lithium? What is lithium? Come on, CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap's not working for me. So let's see. I can't find it on Coinbase Wallet. I'll look into it afterwards. So yeah, Crow price prediction. Will you sell Pry on the day of the Nvidia conference? It's too new. I don't think it's gonna be a buy the rumor, sell the news thing for that. Alex, at what point would you pull back buying in this cycle if you are taking profits but don't have the time to trade daily? I mean, really, right now, I'm not buying a lot of the larger, anything in the top 100. I'm not really buying right now. If you know, because I've been in this for a while. You know, I started buying again in when was it? I mean, November of 2022. But that's just me. You know, if you're buying, you're going to see higher prices. So what I would do is I would, my mindset would be I'm taking profits on a lot of the larger caps, and then I'm looking for those low cap gems. You know, like Produce AI. I gave you that last week. I'd be looking to gamble a little bit with those, and some meme coins as well. So meme coins are the only top 100 cryptos that I would look into be buying right now. So, and well, that's not true. Crypto.com would be another. There's some exceptions for sure. Will you sell? Yeah, I will not sell Produce AI. Deanna got some Produce AI. Okay. Thoughts on Flux? I like Flux a lot. Very bullish on it. I made a video on my YouTube channel, so check that out. So that is not how you comment on my channel, Iggly. You are getting put in a timeout like a 4-year-old. So there we go. Yeah, World War Bitcoin. Smart man, don't buy Bretta. Thai cryptos pushing lithium finance. Thai is pushing lithium. So that's probably why it's gone up so much. So, and I don't say that as a negative. It's just, you've got to understand, if he makes a video about a cryptocurrency, it's going to go much higher short term. And so maybe now, I mean, look at Cybria. Actually, let's talk about Cybria. Let's look at Cybria, because lithium could be amazing. A $22 million market cap. It could be amazing. But so many of you asked me about Cybria, and so I made a video on my YouTube channel with a Cybria price target. I didn't realize it was as small of a market cap as it was. And when I looked at Cybria, I saw a cryptocurrency that was pumped by Thai. And listen, Thai turned me on to EOS. I am eternally thankful for Thai, because he got me into EOS. He's been talking about EOS since 2 cents. I am super bullish on EOS. But then, you know, Cybria pumped like crazy. I made a video on my YouTube channel talking about Cybria, and what I found was not impressive at all. No volume, one repository on their GitHub, their transactions, the amount of transactions that they average per day is 2 transactions a day. Cybria is not one that I'd be looking into buying. Bought all bear like that. We'll aim for low cap gems. Yes. Civil Stranger. Yes. Are you taking out most AI prior to March 18th or after? Maybe on the day, maybe before. Not sure yet, but it's not going to be most. It's going to be like 20%, 25%, something like that. Got to go to Base Network and on Coinbase Wallet. Same place bread is available. Yeah. So yeah, price prediction for XY. I don't have one. It's coming on my YouTube channel here. What would you roll quant at the moment? What would you roll quant into at the moment? You know, I know people are getting very impatient with quant. Quant does what quant does. That's the saying. 120. Man, quant, man. Maybe it's time to give up. But, you know, I gave up on Cello. So DGI, I need some ETH, LOL. You need access. What about DGI? I made 2 videos on it. I'm going to make a follow-up video on DGI. I'm still bullish on it. Coinbase seems to freeze crash and then the whale sell off. That system is corrupt. You're probably not wrong. So Gecko HQ, don't know anything about it. Still bullish on Virtual X. I don't know. The nonsense, the insanity that they face, the FUD, all of that. I don't know if they're going to be able to overcome it. I hope they will. But I'm not going to be making any more content about it just because it's just been too stressful dealing with all the hate that they get. Cybria pumping up. Thank you, the phrase. If you sold one Bitcoin now, what would you put into right now? Right now. Okay. Something AI, Render, AOs, Ajax. Even now, yeah. That's why I asked about Lithium. 3 of the 6 people he was hanging out with in a video are pushing. Okay. I mean, if that's the case, Angelfish, then it doesn't matter about the fundamentals. Lithium will go much higher. So maybe I'll buy some based on that. I bought Aerodrome. Should I get Velo? Base, man. The base ecosystem is where it's at. Don't be suspicious. I am not saying that, no. Bald and base. Don't know anything about it. Why Boge, bro? What's the meta? The meta is people are looking for the next Brett. Brett has made people a lot of money. A lot of money. Brett is the premier meme coin on Base. Base is going to be bigger. Base is going to be bigger than Binance. Coinbase is, BlackRock has deemed it so. Coinbase is going to be the biggest player in this, and Base is Coinbase's venture. So that's why Boge. Bonk price, please. I got nothing for you. Maybe a 10 to 15x from where it is right now. Who are you thinking about making a coin with? Shmoo, SHMOO. He's on TikTok. He has a Telegram that's absolutely fire. Is it time to give up on API 3? Absolutely not. No. Thoughts on LimeWire? LimeWire is an epic pump and dump. Pump first, but then dump. Participate AI. What's precipitate? What is precipitate AI? I've never heard of that. Precipitate AI? Is that a real thing? Or are you talking about produce AI? Precipitate. Oh, there it is. Rain. Oh, Rain. All right. People have been asking me about Rain. I don't know anything about it. So, do you still have your virtual X? I sold half of it. I have the rest. All right. So participate AI. Precipitate. $25 million market cap. What is this? I mean, it's an AI cryptocurrency. Throw a dart at a dartboard. Thoughts on entering Lithium now? I would do so. Not financial advice. So, didn't I click on the website? Oh, come on. Oh, wait, that's not the website. Thoughts on Ether? I think Ether is going to explode. But it's not launching for a while, right? You know, maybe you should get a node. The intersection of AI and Web3. Virtual private servers. Ooh. I am interested in that, but that's because I use a virtual private server. Like I have a remote desktop. So this is interesting. I have no price prediction or anything like that. It's the first time looking into it. So Velo's on Optimism. Oh. I bought Brett at 7 million, up 200K. That's awesome. Thoughts on Onino? I don't know anything about Onino. So let's see. That's why Boge, yep. Palm AI, gonna do very well. Would you hold Brett for a while? I think it's going over $1 billion in market cap. I think that's as close to a no-brainer as you could ask for. So I would hold on to it. But I mean, listen, if you're up $200,000, like Dana here, I'd be taking some off the table for sure, and maybe you already have. So 13.4 million market cap can certainly go higher. That's why Boge. Oh, so base token on CMC is Coinbase token. Is it the same as base protocol? Is it the same as base protocol? My Coinbase is struggling right now. Or not my Coinbase, my CoinMarketCap. No, this is not the same as base protocol. Quick recap, I had a phone call. Quick recap of what? You know, I mean, we're just talking about lots of different random things here, Joey. So I've got nothing for you. Boj is not on Coinbase Wallet. You need to link up to the base network. So would you buy more Boj or Arrow for a base play right now? I don't know where Arrow's market cap is. Thank you, pending. Where can you get Boj? Yeah, so on Coinbase Wallet, you can link up to the base ecosystem. That's how you do it. Thoughts on Ethereum? I made a video on my YouTube channel on Ethereum. Very bullish on it. I know that it's been struggling a bit lately, but you got to be patient. So other base cryptos to get into early. How about Arrow? I don't know where its market cap is, but thank you, Chris, for subscribing. Base doesn't have a token yet. Yeah, that's what I thought. You're welcome for clarifying. I didn't know if you dropped the information from your sub only video yet. The one that I just made, no, I made a sub only video, and then I made a TikTok where I talked about Bitcoin, and then I just went live. And so be patient with that. That's going to take some time. So recap, Bitcoin went to 1 million and came straight back down. You missed it. Yes. So Boj or Arrow, I like both. I'm buying some Boj. I want that next Brett. Bonk, Shib, Doge, price prediction, please. Bonk, I don't have a price prediction. I think it still has another 15x in it or so. Doge, I gave a price target of 53 cents. That seems a little low. I think it's more like a 5 to 8x. And then Shiba Inu, my price target is 0.00022192. So, yo, heard of Red the Mal? I've just done over 100x. I have a tiny amount in it. I have no idea what that is, Stuart. Am I ignoring you? I don't think I'm ignoring you. Did I miss a comment? I don't think I missed any comments here. There have been people who've told me, the subscribers, that like there's certain comments that that don't get through for some reason. So I'm not ignoring you, no. When you link to the base ecosystem, do you have to store crypto somewhere else or hold it in base wallet? You can hold it in the base wallet. Todd, I don't know. I have not done this yet. After this live stream, I'm going to buy some Boj, and I haven't ever tried it yet. So, you know, but Kent figured it out. Bag of Boj purchased. Do you need ETH on base to buy Brett? Yes. Yeah, watch the video that I made on my YouTube channel where I talked about that. Thoughts on CAS? I know CAS has been struggling lately, but it's going to go much higher. So $1.07 is my price target. Are the price predictions based on what you think the price will be at the end of the year or what the top will be for this year? The end of the cycle, whether it's this year or not. The end of the cycle. So gas fees to bridge base right now are insane. Yep. Can we buy Brett on Radium? Nope. No, you can't. I wish you could. Wait a second. People, look at the comment section in my YouTube video about Brett. I made a YouTube video last week instructing on how to buy Brett, and some people said some things that there's a much easier way to do it. You should do this instead, and look into that. I see your comment there. What does a bridge option mean? A bridge, that just means, so you have Ethereum, and Ethereum is on the Ethereum network, but you want that on the base network. That's unfortunately how it works. So base has their own version of Ethereum that is pegged to the price of Ethereum, or you call it wrapped Ethereum on base. So you've got to do that to transact on the base in the base ecosystem. So do we buy Boj on base like Brett? Yes. But there's a way to do it through Coinbase Wallet, apparently. I don't know. OLAS. I have not looked into OLAS in a while. I don't even remember what I looked at when I saw that. LCX might be starting to form a cup. I see that. Yep. Send the Boj contract again, please. I have not sent it. I have nothing for you. Actually, I might be able to do it. Okay, Olas, what's going on here? Autonolas, $307 million market cap. FDV is 3.8 billion. Got to be mindful of that. Olas. Is this AI? It's AI. Okay, so Olas should do well. I'm curious about when was this? All right, this is new. Okay, it's been chopping for a little bit here. I'd be nervous about what this looks like. I'd be nervous about what this looks like for what their FDV looks like. So, thought on UFO gaming. Do you have any YouTube content on that? I do not. Gaming bullish. I just don't know anything about UFO. So, all right, Boge contract again. Here's what I'll do, I suppose. I'll go to Twitter. And what layer 2s do you see the most potential for come Nvidia's conference this week? Layer 2s? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is all you have to do if you want that base contract. Bogeonbase.com. Where do you buy Ether? It has not launched yet. So, will the ISO 20022 coins go up? I'm less bullish on those than I am on any other cryptocurrency or any other niche. So I'm sure there's a contract address here. You just got to find it. Let's do an online tutorial in buying Boge. It's the same thing as my online tutorial for buying Brett. So another Brett on Solfair and Pump 2. I'm not surprised by that. Okay, I am still looking for the Boge contract address. I know that there's a much easier way to do this, but I'm under pressure right now. So here we go. Boge. Copying that, pasting it here. There we go. There's the Boge contract address. So thoughts on Conflux? It's been a while since I've looked into Conflux. I don't know enough about it to give you like specific thoughts right now. Gamercoin. Another one I don't know anything about. And sorry, I'm way behind on the chat here. So do you have a price prediction for Assemble Protocol, Ranch Data, and crypto? I do not know. Do you think AOs will go higher than your original target? Yes, I do. Yeah, $3.40 was my price target, but I'm not revising it. I'm keeping it fixed there. You're welcome, Ravi. Thoughts on Litecoin running being the top signal for the bull run? Yes. I do think Litecoin's going to hit a new all-time high. If you see it as a new all-time high and Ethereum Classic, that's a really good time to be getting pretty conservative. Dana, I bought Boge on Base through Coinbase last week at 1 million. Now it's 3 million. Awesome. What coin are you most bullish on? There's different ways to figure this out or to answer this question. Pendle's a high conviction play, but there's lots of cryptocurrencies that'll probably outperform it, but good luck. Good luck with those. So, oh wow, look at this. Bretta, somebody mentioned buying Bretta. And there it is, up 426%. So Mint layers a layer 2. There we go. Yeah, so Bitcoin layer 2s, I'm bullish on those. Any updates to the meme coin you discussed previously? Thank you, John, for joining the channel. Updates to the meme coin. If you're asking about the meme coin that I was going to resurrect, I did make a subscriber only video talking about that. If you're asking about from the subscriber only video, there are no updates, and you're gonna have to be patient with that. That's gonna take some time, not like weeks or months, but some days. So, and again, yeah, those of you on YouTube, you've got to join this channel as a member. We're gonna have a member only live stream tomorrow at 4 p.m. New York time, Eastern time, and on Thursday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, subscriber only live streams. And when we go live regularly, I do respond to every subscriber only comment. And I can't keep up with the rest of them. So is Coinbase wrapped Ethereum available for fuel use as well as or no? I think I understand what you're saying, and yes. Yes. When Ether launches, where can we buy it? I don't know. You're gonna have to just go to their website and look at go to coinmarketcap.com and look at markets. I wouldn't be surprised if it was just Uniswap. Yeah, Luke, you might be right about that. So Sync upping unstaking fee to 50% screams future rug pull. The damage has been done. I very much believe that that's temporary, but I did make a message on that on my in my Telegram, a voice message. So I still believe it's going over $1 billion, but we need to be a lot more conservative with Sync. Is this a good time to buy Syncus? I mean, just you hear what I said to the previous question, right? To buy Syncus, just maybe buy it on MEXC or Bitmart, something like that, but not on Uniswap. So yeah, just bought some Breda. All right. Yes, that's the one. Something's the one. I think I missed your subscriber only video for that. I do have alerts set to know when you're live. Yeah, Kristen, if you look at my profile, you should be able to see my second most recent video. It should be visible. So SHIB has been hovering for 35 for a while. When do you think it will break past 50? It might be weeks or months. I mean, literally, SHIB went crazy 2 weeks ago. There's going to be time to cool off. So subscriber only vids come to our inbox. I don't know if they do. Yeah, but they're on my profile. Have you looked into Solnik, Solana meme pushed by Leo and others? Low market cap and a lot coming. I have not, but all right, it's a meme coin. I know what it is fundamentally now. So what genre are you most bullish on short term for like 2 to 3 months? AI and meme coins. So all right, thank you, Kristen. Okay, I thank you, Banter. I am going to end the YouTube live stream soon in like a couple minutes. And then I'm going to answer the last of the questions on my TikTok live stream. And then I have a lot to do today. So what do I think about Jupiter? I got some of the Jupiter airdrop, and I did not realize that I got it until a couple weeks ago, or until last week. So I think Jupiter is going to go much higher. The thing is, there's lots of airdrops still happening. So you got to be patient with that. But I have a $694 price target for Solana. And so I think, Jupiter is looking like, it's ready to move higher. I think Jupiter is gonna at least do as well as Solana does, but probably be more like a leveraged play on that. So still in Pry. Yep, still in Pry. Produce AI. I took out my initials last week, but I'm still in it. All right, I am done on YouTube, everybody. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you all in another live stream, and then I'm going to finish this TikTok live and be done.